Alright guys, welcome back to another episode here at Liquid Memoir. Today we're making the Infante. The Infante is a cocktail created by Puerto Rican bartender Giuseppe Gonzalez over at Dutch Kills in New York City in 2007. He is also the biggest Star Wars fan that I know. The Infante was named after Pedro Infante. Pedro Infante was a famous Mexican actor and singer from the mid-1900s. This guy was so cool that he was considered by some as the Mexican Frank Sinatra of ranchera music. He had a passion for flying and tragically died on his third plane crash in 1955. He was 39 years old. So, for my Latino friends, ama, perdona y olvida. Y para todo lo demás, tómate un buen tequila. This is a great drink for people who love margaritas but want something a bit different. In a shaker, add 3/4 ounce or 22.5 ml of freshly squeezed lime juice. Also add 3/4 ounce or 22.5 ml of Housemade Orgeat syrup. Orgeat is gonna add body and depth to this cocktail. You're gonna add 2 ounces or 60 ml of 100% blue agave tequila Blanco. And please don't use the bad stuff. Grab a chilled double rocks glass, add a large ice cube to your glass, also add ice to your shaker, and give this a good hard shake for about 15 seconds. Once done shaking, double strain your cocktail into your chilled double rocks glass. To finish this drink off, garnish it with a generous amount of freshly grated nutmeg. I find that the nutmeg does add another layer to this cocktail. It also makes this drink perfect for those who are looking for something more refreshing but still fits with the cooler season. And that's the Infante. Cheers. Tequila! Let's give this a taste. Oh, the nutmeg smells delicious. Oh my god, this is such a delicious drink. Round is delicious, is bright and nutty. Just like the margarita, this is a cocktail that will taste completely different depending on your choice of tequila. Just make sure that you're using 100% blue agave tequila, please. I'm using a Highland tequila, so it's has a lot more pepper feel to it. The nice thing about the nutmeg, it gives it another layer of spice and plays really well with the orgeat. It's slightly creamy, but not as much from the syrup. You could make your own orgeat at home. Depending on how you make it and what ingredients you use, it'll give you a completely different cocktail. So there's a lot of room for playing around in this cocktail and make it your way. It's a sour build, equal parts lime, equal parts orgeat, and 2 parts of tequila. This is a delicious, delicious tequila drink. For people that are thinking, I want a tequila drink, but I don't want a margarita. I've had so many margaritas. This cocktail is a delicious option. Very easy to make if you have all the ingredients. Let me know in the comments if you had this before or if you're planning on trying it and what do you think? All right, everyone, that's gonna be it for this cocktail video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, share with friends. I'll leave the recipe in the description below as always. So yeah, thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Sinatra of ranchera music. On his third plane crash, and tragically died. Nutmeg.